This is chapter 12, section 12.3. Axioms. Axiom 1. Probability of any event between 0 and 1. The minimum probability is 0 and the maximum probability is 1. An impossible event has probability 0. An example, the sun rises in the west. We know it never happened, so probability is 0. A certain event has probability 1. Example, the sun rises in the east. We know sun always rises in the east, so probability is 1. Axiom 2. Probability of the sample space is 1. Then axiom 3. Two events A and B are disjoint. What is the meaning of disjoint? They don't have common element, or we call mutually exclusive. Then you can use this equation, probability of A or B equal probability of A plus probability of B. You can use this equation if and only if A and B are disjoint. A or B, or we can use this notation we call union. A union B. What is the meaning of A or B or A union B? That means all elements either in A or B. I will explain more using some examples. Axiom 4. For any event A, probability of A does not occur equal 1 minus probability of A. Probability of A does not occur, we can use this notation or we can use this notation. So both are the A does not occur. Then this equal 1 minus probability of A. It is clear that we can write probability of A equal 1 minus probability of A complement. Now let me explain these axioms using this example. The sample space 1 to 8 and event A 2, 3, 4, 6, event B 1, 3, 5. We know A and B are events of S, right? So now are there any common element of A and B? Yes, A has 3, B has 3, therefore 3 is a common element. So A and B are not disjoint. Let's say C is 1, 7, 8. Then how about A and C? Yes, you see they don't have any common elements, therefore A and C are disjoint. Now let me write the probabilities. Probability of A equal 4 over 8. We can write 1 half. Probability of B equal 3, 8. And probability of C equal, that is also 3 over 8. Then consider A and C. What is the probability of A or C? We know A and C are disjoint. Using the axiom 3, we can write probability of A plus probability of C. So probability of A is 4 over 8 plus probability of C is 3 over 8. The answer is 7 over 8. That is the probability of A or C. Now let me write down A or C. How do we write down A or C? As I mentioned before, that is the elements in A or B, right? A or C here, right? So what are the elements in A? 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. Then elements in C 1, 7, 8. So 1, 7, 8. Therefore, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. how many elements A or C? Let me write down probability A union C equal 7 elements, all total in S8, therefore 7 over 8. You see both are the same. This is true because A and C are disjoint. How about the complement? A complement. As I mentioned before, all elements in S but A. So we have 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6. Therefore, A complement is 1, 5, 7, 8. Then how about the B complement? The all elements in S but B, right? So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. So we can write 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Let me write down probability of A equal 1 minus probability of A complement. 1 minus, what is the probability of A complement? There are 4 elements in A complement. Total is 8. So this is 4 over 8. Let me check probability of A directly. Yes, you see here A 4 elements. Therefore 4 over 8. You see both are the same. Example number 9. If probability of A equal 0.35 and probability of B equal 0.45 and A and B are disjoint, find probability of A or B. How do we find the probability of A or B? They are disjoint, right? Therefore, by the axiom 4, we can write probability of A union B equal probability of A plus probability of B. This is 0.35 plus 0.45, which is 0.8. That is the probability of A or B. Example 10. Which of the following events are disjoint? How do we check any events are disjoint? We use this equation. Probability A or B equal probability of A plus probability of B. Let me check. So first I check probability of A plus probability of B. Probability of A is first one 0.3, second one 0.25, then this is 0.55. Yes, you see here A or B 0.55. Therefore, that is true. If you add these two together, 0.45, this is 0.35, that is not true. And this one, you see probability of A is 0.6, probability of B is 0.5. Add them together. Let me explain that. Probability A or B 0.6 plus 0.5. This is 1.1. So this can't be happen. Why? Highest probability is 1. Therefore, definitely this is wrong. Next, probability of A 0.4, probability of B 0.4. If we use this equation, probability of A or B is 0.8, but here 0.7. Therefore, that is also not true. First one is the answer.